Good afternoon all. Today topic is window technique. What is the window technique? Window technique is nothing but multiplying of one infinite sequence into finite sequence, so that you will get the FIR filter equation by multiplying the finite equation with infinite sequence. The windows are divided into 7 types: rectangular window, triangular window, Hamming window, Hanning window, Blackman window, Bartlett window and Kaiser window. Now you have to remember these equation. Rectangular window, WR of n is 1 for minus n minus 1 by 2 into n minus 1 into 0 otherwise. You have to remember this equation. And triangular window, Hamming window, Hanning window, Blackman window, Bartlett window and Kaiser window. You have to remember these 7 equations to solve the problems on window techniques. This is the basic about the window technique. Next we will go for a design procedure of window technique. This is the design procedure of window technique. It will consist 5 steps. Step 1, the desired frequency response FIR filter is same as Fourier series method only. HD of n equal to summation of HD of n into e power minus j omega na. Impulse response from this equation 1, impulse response is 1 by 2 pi into minus pi to pi HD of e power j omega into e power j omega n d omega. That is your step 1. Step 2, this above equation is truncated, means rounded off by h of n equal to HD of n into w of n for n less than or equal to n minus 1 by 2, where capital N is the length of the sequence and 0 for otherwise. That is step 2. Step 3, the Z transform of FIR filter is represented as h of z equal to h of 0 summation of n equal to 1 to n minus 1 by 2 into h of n into z power n plus z power of minus n. Step 4, the reliable h of z is, here whatever you are getting h of z in step 3 is not reliable, means not accurate. To get the accurate value of h of z, we are multiplying h of z with z power of minus n minus 1 by 2. Just we are multiplying step 4 h of z with z power of minus n minus 1 by 2. That is step 4. Next step 5, the frequency response is h bar of e power j omega equal to summation of a power n into cos omega n, where a of 0 is h of n minus 1 by 2, a of n is 2h of n minus 1 by 2 by minus n. These 5 steps are the design procedure for window technique. Next we will see the problem on window technique. This is a problem for window technique. Once read the problem, design a filter HD of e power j omega equal to e power minus z 3 omega per minus pi by 2 plus pi by 4, 0 pi by 4 to pi by 4. So now see the steps for window technique. Here they mention using Hamming window with n equal to 7. N is 7 and with using Hamming window. For any window you have to follow these steps only. Only one difference. Instead of W of n, we are using Hamming window equation. If it is rectangular window, you have to use rectangular window equation. Only one difference, you have to use the different equations whatever they mentioned in the problem. First see the step 1. What is step 1 here? HD of n equal to 1 by 2 pi into minus pi by 2 pi HD of e power j omega into e power j omega n into d of omega. Now see the problem. Here what is the mention here? HD of e power j omega equal to e power minus j 3 omega minus pi by 2 plus pi by 4, 0 for pi by 4 to 5. So HD of e power j omega equal to 1 by 2 pi into minus pi by 2 pi HD of e power j omega and d omega. Here minus pi by 4 to pi I am dividing into 2. One integration is minus pi by 2 pi by 4 one integration, pi by 4 to pi one integration. In between minus pi by 4 to pi by 4, what is the value of HD of omega? E power of minus 3 j 3 omega. So I am writing e power of minus 3 omega e power j omega and d omega. In between pi by 4 to pi, what is the value of HD of e power j omega? 0. That's why I am writing here 0 here. 0 into d of omega. So by simplifying the equation, I am getting the total equation as, here e power j theta is cos theta plus j sin theta, e power minus j theta is cos theta minus j sin theta, minus into minus plus. So finally I am getting HD of n equal to sin n minus 3 pi by 4 by 5 into n minus 3. This is your step 1 equation. Next step 2. So what is step 2 in design procedure? H of n equal to HD of n into omega n for n less than or equal to n minus 1 2. Here omega n is nothing but window equation. Here in the given problem, what they mentioned? Hamming window. So you have to write the Hamming window equation. Omega of n Hamming, this is the equation of Hamming window. Omega n equal to 0.54 plus 0.46 cos of 2 pi n by n minus 1. This is the equation for Hamming window. So our step 2 equation is h of n equal to hd of n into w of n. So hd of n equal to, what is hd of n here? Whatever you are getting in the step 1 equation, sin of n minus 3 pi by 4 by pi into n minus 3. That is hd of n. W of n is given, what they mention in the window, Hamming window. So this is the equation for Hamming window. You have to remember all these 7 equations. Next, hd of n is there, omega of n is there. Now you have to find hd of 0. Just substitute the n value in this equation, directly you will get the hd of 0. Next, hd of n, substitute n equal to 1 in this equation, you will get hd of 1, hd of 2 and hd of. In this in FIR filter, all are symmetrical. So hd of 1 is nothing but hd of minus 1. hd of 2 is nothing but hd of minus 2. Like that you have to find up to 3 only. Why 3 means, what is the n value here? 7. 7 minus 1 by 2 less than or equal to n less than or equal to 7 minus 1 by 2. So in between minus 3 to 3. So we are finding up to 3 only. Next, coming to this window equation, substitute n equal to 0 in this equation, you will get w of 0. Substitute 1, substitute 2, substitute 3. So up to 3 you have to find. Now h of, what is the equation in step 2? H of n equal to hd of n into w of 0. So what is h of 0? hd of 0 into w of 0. Just substitute hd of 0, w of 0. Multiply these two equations, you will get the value. Next, h of 1 is nothing but hd of 1 into w of n. You will get the value hd of 2, h of 3. Like that you will get the values of all up to 3 only. Next, step 3. h of z equal to h of 0 plus n equal to 1 to n minus 1 by 2. N is 7 here. So 7 minus 1 by 2, 3. h of n into z power n plus z power minus n. So substitute the values here, apply the limits here. First substitute n equal to 1, h of 1 into z power 1 plus z power minus 1, h of 2 into z power 2 plus z power minus 2, h of 3 z power 3 plus z power minus 3. So h of z equal to, substitute all the values, you will get the h of z. Now whatever you are getting the h of z, it is not reliable. To get the reliable value, we are multiplying the given value into z power of minus n minus 1 by 2. N is 7. So n minus z power of minus 3 into h of z. So h dash of z equal to z power minus 3 into, multiply this. Just multiply these h of z with z power minus 3. Now you will get the final h of z value. This is our step 4. In the given problem, they mentioned about design a filter. Design a filter means you have to find the filter coefficients. Now these are the filter coefficients of the equation. H of 0 is 0.25, h of 1 is 0.165, h of 2 is 0.03, h of 3 is 0.039, h of 5 is 0.165, h of 6 is 0.25. Now these all are the filter coefficients. Design a filter means you can do up to step 4 only. If they mention find the frequency response means, now you have to go for the step 5 also. Step 5 is simply just write the equation and substitute the values and find the a of 0 and a of 1. Here n equal to 1, 2, 3. So find a of 1, a of 2 and a of 3 also. All these values substitute in this equation, you will get the frequency response directly. If they mention, mostly they will not mention. You have to do up to step 4 only. Mostly they will ask the problem like this: design a filter or find the filter coefficients. So up to step 4 is sufficient. If they ask means you have to do the step 5 also. Simply write the equation and find these a values and substitute in the equation. Directly you will get the frequency response equation. This is about Windows technique. Same as Fourier series method only. Only one difference is here in Fourier series method h of n equal to hd of n, but in window technique h of n equal to hd of n into w of n. Why? Because we are multiplying one infinite sequence into finite sequence. That is nothing but window technique. This is about Windows technique. And the Fourier series, in the Fourier series we are not mentioning w of n. In Windows technique we are mentioning about wn. Only the difference. Remaining steps, all the steps are same as Fourier series only.